Hi traders, this is Andrew Masters from FIBO Group and welcome to my weekly Forex report. To kick off the week on Monday, traders will pay attention to the Asian session with the release of the TD Securities Inflation Report from Australia. There are rumours swirling that the RBA may cut rates in the nearest future on the back of low inflation, so this news will be closely monitored and we expect volatility in the Australian dollar. In the American session, we'll see the latest factory orders from the US, which should create some volatility and trading opportunities in the US dollar. On Tuesday, during the Asian session, we'll see the release of the latest interest rate decision from the RBA, followed by a monetary press conference. Although no changes in rates are expected, the following statement will be closely monitored for future signs of the bank's movements, and we expect volatility in the Australian dollar. In the European session, we'll see GDP numbers from the Eurozone, which hit the market at a disappointing 0.4% last month and shows the European economy is still struggling, and another poor figure may put pressure on the euro. On Wednesday, we'll see import, export and trade balance figures from China, which will be closely monitored as investors believe the world's second largest economy is having a few difficulties, and we expect volatility in the Chinese yuan. In the American session, we'll see the building permits and housing starts figures from the US, which should give a clear picture of the property market and create some opportunities in the US dollar. On Thursday, during the Asian session, we'll see CPI figures from China, and as already mentioned, some believe there are problems developing in the economy, so investors will await the news and movement in the Chinese yuan is expected. In the European session, we'll see the latest interest rate decision from the ECB, followed by a monetary press conference. No changes in rates are expected, but the following statement should generate interest on the bank's future plans, and we expect trading opportunities in the euro. On Friday, during the Asian session, we'll see key real estate data from Australia with the release of the home loans and investment figures, which should present some opportunities in the Australian dollar. The highlight of the day will be during the American session, with the release of the unemployment rate and non-farm payrolls figure. This is the last release before an interest rate decision from the Fed, and some say if the numbers are good, a hike is a done deal, so this news will be closely monitored, and we expect extreme volatility and plenty of trading opportunities in the US dollar. That's all from me at FIBO Group, and I'll see you all next week.